Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game will not launch on your PlayStation 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to get Crimson Desert not launching on your PlayStation 5 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your games menu here, and now you're going to find Crimson Desert. Once you find it, you're going to click the start button on your controller on it, and once you click that start button, it will open up this menu. Now you're going to click on to restore license, and it will restore your Crimson Desert's license. Don't worry, this will not delete your game. Afterwards, you're going to click onto the start button again, and now you're going to go into check for updates here, and then it will look for any new updates, and if there are, it will download those new updates. And once it's done, you will see this window. And now what you're going to do is you're going to restart your console. So just restart your PlayStation 5. Once it's done restarting, turn off your internet connection for 1 to 2 minutes. So just disconnect your internet or your Wi-Fi for 1 to 2 minutes, and after that you're going to turn it on. And once you turn it on, now you're going to try to play the game, and once you open up the game, you'll see that it will work now. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.